Here in Avon, Indiana, just outside of Indianapolis, looking from our side yard down to the creek is a large bird. I think it is a crane. I am not familiar with the eating habits of the crane, but I am very confident that this crane is not going to find anything larger than a little minnow in our creek. I learned that cranes can hold their pose for several minutes. For that reason, I have edited these clips. I made this a slow motion clip to visibly keep it on screen longer. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and give me a thumbs up. Thank you.